Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to fix apps crashing or freezing on your INFINIX Note 60 Pro. First, clear the app cache and data by going to Settings, scrolling to App Management, and selecting App List. Choose an app that crashes, like the camera. Click on Storage and Cache, then Clear Storage. The app size resets to 0, and cache may return so you can clear it again. Of the app, you can also update the app. For system apps you can, but for Play Store apps, go to your avatar, manage apps and device, and update all. As a last resort, update your software by going to Settings, opening the INFINIX Note 60 Pro, and clicking Check for updates. My system is up to date, but if yours isn't, I recommend updating. That's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If so, leave a like, subscription, and comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!